Hi friend, this video I am going to show you deactivate your Facebook account in Android phone 2026 updated guide. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. After the app is open, make sure you are currently logged into your existing account if you want to deactivate them. After that, look at the top left corner. Here you can find the 3-line hamburger menu icon. Simply tap on them. After that, scroll down a little, look for the settings and privacy option. Once you found them, click on them. Then tap on the settings button to open the settings and privacy page. Once you are in this page, tap on the account center option. After that, scroll again, click on manage accounts. In this menu here, you can see all of the accounts listed there. Find the exact Facebook account. If you want to deactivate, hit the manage button. After that, tap on the deactivate or deactivation or deletion option. Then select deactivated account. Then hit continue. After that, verify to enter your Facebook account password. Once you enter them, simply tap on continue button. Now you can go to the next page, deactivation your Facebook account. Here you can simply select a reason. For example, I am select this is temporary, I will be back. After that, tap on continue. Now scroll down again, look for the automatically reactivate my account in. Here you can see various time of listed. For example, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day, 6 or 7, or don't reactivate automatically. This means if you need to reactivate your account, so reactivate. But if you not reactivate, this means your account permanently deactivate, and after 30 days remove your account permanently. So choose the time if you like. For example, I am choose 3 days. After that, tap on done. Then tap on continue. Finally, if you are decide to deactivate your Facebook account, simply confirm by tapping deactivate my account button and automatically deactivate your Facebook account. But before 3 days, automatically reactivate it. Thanks for watching. If this video will help you, please subscribe my channel. Also comment below.